What's up, guys and girls? My name is Neil, the maintenance man, and we're going to do a tool haul video. It's been a while since I've done one of those. First, though, I have to thank a few people. One would be Mr. Audubon Dan for this Gripty mat. Won it on a giveaway. I cheated and won it. But no, this thing's freaking awesome. I like it. I'll link his channel up in the description. If you have not checked him out, go check him out. Next up is Dewey Did It with the sticker. Sent me it. I'm going to add it to my sign. If you haven't checked his channel out, go check it out. Awesome channel, awesome dude. Link it in the description. Next up is a Mr. Hard Knocks Forge. Won me this 4-foot level on Instagram, and I'm actually really pumped to use it. I think it'll be great doing cabinets and stuff in kitchens. I got a few of those coming up, like 8 or 10 or 12 of them to do. I'll link his channel up in the description. And last but not least, a Mr. Chemical Spore with the awesome shirt. Go check his channel out. I'll link it up in the description. It is it's awesome. It's actually really nice too. It's comfortable feeling. So thank you to all those wonderful people for winning and sending me those things. I appreciate it. Next up, small tool haul here. First off is the C-clamp by Tactics. It is a Chinese company. It's supposed to be like their Stanley. I just wanted to try it out. You know, I don't have a C-clamp, so figured that would be cool. Next up is a Tajima knife, and I've enjoyed this Stanley so much. I wanted to see how. Oh man. Let's see if there's an easier way. There is. It says just slide. No, I'm gonna just cut those. Gotta be able to cut them, right? Jesus, there we go. Oh, when videos go wrong. Am I right? Alright, so there we go. And just so you guys know, the Tajima box cutter blades have been my favorite blades. Well, you know, these types of knives, razor knife, but they've been my favorite blades. I like them better than the Milwaukee. So I'm expecting the same quality in this one here. Seems half decent. I won't set it up right now. You know, we'll keep this train rolling. So the thought behind these tools is I have a little tool pouch at work, and I wanted to put in like tools that I use regularly for repairs, and see if they, you know, get a majority of my stuff done that's not remodel work or, you know, like major plumbing and stuff. So I found these. It's an Asian company. I'm not sure where, but it's a little Crescent Wrench. But it has a pretty nice jaw there. I think it's 1.5 inches, if I'm not mistaken, maybe 2 inches. I don't know, nice handle. So to go along with that, the other one I got is this cool Crescent. I don't know how well it's going to work, but it's a ratcheting Crescent wrench. So I thought that was pretty neat there, in my opinion. And yeah, I won't mess with that. Next up is the vessel. Little stubby screwdriver. I think Audubon Dan did this one. And a long time ago, Yoda Doug actually mentioned to get one. Something about liking the ball end of it. But, well, he just said vessel, you know, in general. That is nice and compact. Has a nice grip to it. Reversible, huh? I thought it was... Or no, it's just a stubby. Just a stubby. Next up, you guys know I like my lights. So this is the Ravivon. Has a Cree light in it. And I wear hats a lot. I don't know how well this will hold up for me. But it's supposed to be 600 lumen. Yep, 600. So it's a Cree. Has a rechargeable LED. Charge time is 70 minutes. It's a 260 milliamp hour lithium polymer battery. Does not say the runtime, so I'll figure that out for you guys. But nice, small, compact. Guess there's a USB port there. I believe this is a keychain and clip. This is like a band to go around your head. And the charger. So I guess it does not come charged. So I'll plug that in and get that charged up and see 70 minutes should be good to go tomorrow. See how easy it is. And I'll throw it on this charger here. There we go, and it does have a an indicator light, so that's nice feature added in there. Last but not least is the Steelman 10-in-1 everyday pocket screwdriver. You know, I just couldn't pass it up. I just had to see what it's all about. So, it's not a bad size what we got here. About 4 1/4. Has bits down here. So here's the screwdriver, and the bits. So the bits push through like that. Push up on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I failed to see the 10th function here. Unless if I'm missing something. I don't think I am now. Unless if it's the clip. But, I don't know. I mean, that could be. I like how it pushes up. They come out pretty easily. This locking action is very good. This is kind of goofy. Oh, there we go. So it comes out. So you can make it a stubby too. There we go. Well, we'll see. We'll see how it does. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So, thank you for watching. Go check those channels out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.